Question. All administrative plumbing personnel, plumbing inspector, shall be registered and licensed master plumber in accordance with the provisions of Republic Act No. 1378, otherwise known as Answer. Plumbing Law. Question. All plumbing systems shall be tested and approved as required by this code or Answer. Administrative authority. Question. Any change, addition, or modification in construction or occupancy. Answer. Alteration. Question. Any public space, public park, or thoroughfare less than 3 meters but not less than 2 meters in width, dedicated or deeded for public use. Answer. Alley. Question. Accepted or acceptable under an applicable specification or standard stated or cited in this code or accepted as suitable for any proposed use under procedures and powers of administrative authority. Answer. Approved. Question. A physical separation which may be low and let into indirect ways, receptor from the fixtures, appliance, or device indirectly connected. Answer. Air brake. Question. The flow of water or other liquids, mixtures, or substances into the distributing pipe of potable supply of water from any source other than from its intended source. Answer. Backflow. An organization primarily established for the purpose of testing to approve standard and approved by administrative authority. Answer. Approved testing agency. Question. The flowing back of use contaminated or polluted water from the plumbing fixture or vessel into the water supply pipe due to a negative pressure in such pipe. Answer. Backsiphonage. Question. A device installed in the drainage system to prevent reverse flow. Answer. Backwater valve. Question. A device or means to prevent flow of liquid from returning to the source of supply, also called vacuum breaker. Answer. Backflow preventer. Question. A type of pipe connection in which a bowl-shaped end is held in the cup-like shell and allow movement in every direction. Answer. Ball joint. Question. A room equipped with shower stall or bathtub. Answer. Bathroom. Question. A valve open and closed by the fall and rise respectively of an attached ball floating on the surface of the liquid. Answer. Ball cock. Question. That portion of a pipe which for a short distance is sufficiently enlarged to receive the end of another pipe of the same diameter for the purpose of making a cock or push-on joint. Answer. Bell or hub. Question. Any of two or more similar adjacent fixtures which discharged into a common horizontal soil or waste branch. Answer. Battery of fixtures. Question. Synonymous with faucet, cock, tap, plug, etc. The word faucet is preferred. Answer. Bib. Question. A plumbing fixtures used for washing the middle private part of the body, especially the genitals, also called a sitz bath. Answer. Bidit. Question. A tool for straightening or bending lead pipe. Answer. Bending pin or iron. Question. A flange that closes the end of a pipe. There is no opening for the passage of liquid or gas. Answer. Blind flange. Question. A pipe flange that is not drilled for bolt holes. Answer. Blank flange. Question. Any part of the piping system other than the main, the riser, or the stock. Answer. Branch. Question. A length of soil or waste stock corresponding in general to the story height but in no case less than 2.43 meters within which the horizontal branches from one floor or story of the building are connected to the stock. Answer. Branch interval. Question. A controlled outlet of the pipeline to discharge liquid or detritus. Answer. Blow up. Question. Are cast iron soil pipe with plain. Question. IPS mean. Answer. Iron pipe size. Question. A water closet consisting of continuous through containing water. The through extend under two or more adjacent seat. Prohibited by health authority for the permanent installations. Answer. Latrine. Question. Are cast iron soil pipe with the plain end connected together with bolted stainless steel bands and neoprene gasket? Answer. Hubless pipes. Question. NAMPAP. Answer. National Master Plumbers Association of the Philippines. Question. A pipe connected from the building gutter to the downspout or conductor. Answer. Leader. Question. A natural person. His, her, executors, administrator, or assigns, and also include a firm, partnership, or corporation. It on their successor or assigned or agent of any of the aforesaid. Answer. Person. Question. A suction created by the flow of liquid in pipes, a pressure less than atmospheric. Answer. Siphonage. Question. That portion of the fixtures drain between the trap and the vent. Answer. Trap arm. Question. An impairment of the quality of the water to a degree which create hazard to the public health and adversely affect the aesthetic and potable qualities of water for domestic use. Answer. Pollutions. Question. A hose connection with two gated outlet permitting two connections of the same or smaller coupling diameter to be taken from the single supply line. Also, a pipe fitting of three branches that form the letter Y. Answer. Y. Question. Horizontal drainage line connecting to other horizontal drainage line shall enter through. Answer. 45 degrees Y branches, combination Y and 1/8 bend. Question. Changes in direction of drainage piping shall be made by the use of approved pipe fitting and shall be the angle presented by or approved fitting of longer strips. Answer: 22 1/2 degrees bend, 45 degrees bend, and 60 degrees bend. Question: Plastic pipe at vertical piping shall be supported at every answer 1 meter interval. Question: The minimum distance between the door or entry to the drain opening shall be. Answer: 1.2 meters. Question: It shall not be located in any area containing fumes that are toxic, poisonous, and corrosive. Answer: Backflow preventer.